You like the baby, princess? You like the baby?
Go. Alright, do the reintroduction. It's a video now. Oh.
Princess, look this way. Oh, it's okay, princess. It's okay. Yeah. Say hi, Opa. You're my great Opa. You're my great Opa. How do you say great granddaughter in Dutch?
Yeah, good question. You say granddaughter. Granddaughter, you say, yeah.
Kleindaughter or something like that? Yeah. Hi. 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 Do you want to hold her, Opa?
Hmm?
Do you want to hold her?
Sure.
What are you looking at, Josephine? That's your great Opa. Your great Opa. You looking at the dog. Hi, princess. Hi, princess. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
He's what happy with her.
Yeah. Yeah. Came all the way from New York so you can see our Opa. What do you think about the dog? Are you stretching? Are you stretching, Angel?
He's happy too.
Hi, princess. Hi, princess.
Here's a smile.
Hi. Hi, Angel. Hi. Hi. It's your Opa. It's your great Opa. So now Benny is an Opa.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh?
Stretching his legs.
Stretching. She just woke up from a nap. And we're in the car and she needs to stretch. Look at those hoodies. Then she got cute cheeks. Oh, do you have to poop, Josephine?